Thanks so much for staying with us. Taking a live look outside on the CorWinAuto.com Valley Sky Cam, part of the Storm Team Sky Cam network. We've had some cloudy skies as we've gone through the past several hours, and temperatures have actually warmed slightly since the 6 o'clock hour, around 9 then. 13 now, feels more like 0. Those winds at times gusting up to 20 miles per hour. It is 10 over in Moorhead, 5 up in Cavalier, as well as in Grand Forks, 2 in Thief River Falls, 3 in Roseau, 14 in Detroit Lakes, as well as in the Fergus Falls area. Winds southerly. They stay southerly tonight, around 5 to 15 miles per hour with an occasional stronger gust. Wind chills as cold as 12 below in Langdon, minus 10 in Hallock, also 10 below up in the Roseau area. Some clouds out there, and we'll see partly to mostly cloudy skies overnight tonight. Underneath those clouds, we have seen some snow showing up on the radar. A lot of this not reaching the ground, but don't be surprised to see some flakes of snow falling from time to time in a few isolated areas. Not going to amount to much, if anything, at all. Outside of that chance for a few flurries, the northern plains, pretty quiet out there. Off towards the west, some rain in the lower elevations, snow in the higher elevations, and off towards the east, same story. Some rain and some snow. Rain in Tennessee, snow in parts of Kentucky, Virginia, and West Virginia. Tonight, quiet with cloudy skies, maybe some isolated flurries, and temperatures steady. Fluctuating temperatures staying just above 0 in the single digits and low teens by tomorrow morning. Still just enough of a breeze to create wind chills as cold as 5 to 10 below. Tomorrow, more cloudiness and southerly breezes. They're going to warm us on up into the 20s across the area. By late tomorrow evening, as southerly winds continue to increase and southeasterly winds, we're going to see temperatures staying in the teens and 20s even through the 10 o'clock hour. Now, the big fly in the ointment this weekend is this guy. Continue to move on off towards the northeast through the day Saturday into Saturday night and early Sunday, and with it a lot of snow, then a lot of snow and wind, and then some wind. This is an update to the American model. Snow totals have come up a little bit on the American model. Widespread 3 to 6 inch amounts with pockets of 6 to 12 inches. The European model, even heavier, widespread 6 to 12 amounts with pockets of a foot plus. How much is going to fall? Probably somewhere in between that. I think a lot of the Southern Valley is going to see 6 to 8 with isolated amounts of 10 inches of snow. Northern Valley, 3 to 6 in many areas. Winter storm watch for southern portions of the valley. That for Saturday into Sunday around noontime for that possibility of heavy snow and some strong winds. Travel is going to be greatly impacted, and with the heavy wet snow and a lot of wind, we could also see some isolated power outages as well. So it's going to be a very tough weekend. Keep it tuned to the latest forecast, especially if you've got some travel plans. 5 tomorrow morning here in Fargo. By lunchtime, though, how about 20 later on in the day, topping it on out in the mid-20s. Picture of the day, this guy, a gorgeous bridge up in the Grand Forks area. Thanks so much to David for sending this in. Going to use that as the backdrop to our 7-day forecast. Quiet tomorrow. Get the chores done on your Friday. Saturday, a lot of snow into Saturday night and early Sunday. A reminder to turn those clocks forward 1 hour before you head to bed on Saturday. A brief break in the action Monday, and then late Tuesday on into Wednesday, what could be an even stronger storm set to roll through the middle of next week. That may be just warm enough that we see a little bit of rain with that snow, so that may cut down on some of the snow totals, but that's a long way off. We got a monster to deal with over the weekend first.
Yeah, tune up the snowblower.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You got it.